Hey guys, I was super excited to get this iPhone 10 till my daughter literally dropped it on the floor, and guys, I didn't even buy the case. So look at what happened. Brand new iPhone 10 and the screen is already broken. But thank God I discovered a solution online which is extremely cheap and affordable. So we're gonna test it right now and see how it does. So guys, what we got over here is literally a glue. This stuff we're not gonna use it, guys. This is for repairing windshield, looks like. We're not gonna use that. But we do gonna use this just to scrape the glue off, and it looks like this is gonna make it look nice and neat. Let's see. But before we do that, guys, we're gonna actually find out what's the real cost to replace this iPhone screen. Okay, let's see how much it is to replace this iPhone screen. Let's make a phone call real quick. Okay, I just Google near me iPhones, pretty much iPhone screen replacements. I just need a phone number. So we're gonna call this place right now and find out what's the cost to replace my iPhone 10 screen. This is not my phone, by the way. I wish. This is my wife. She has a case. She's smarter than me. Let's see.
Thank you for calling Dr. Home Fix. How can I help you?
Hey man, how's it going? I have a quick question. How much will it be to replace my iPhone 10X screen on the front?
Oh, the iPhone X? Okay, yes, with the iPhone X. Right now we're doing it for that one, $300.
$300?
Yes, sir.
So guys, $300 to replace the screen, or the alternative. We're gonna find out right now if this thing is gonna work.
Gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Think about others way before